Hello, this is Beatsgear X, a fully customizable stereoscopic surround sound cushion to bring life to your digital entertainment experience. During an area where we are surrounded by various digital entertainment systems, we were unsatisfied where we were only able to enjoy them with our ears and eyes, and the conventional analog technology devices never met our standards. But the moment we present Beagear X, you can enjoy your video games, music, movies, and other digital contents from head to toe. Beatsgear X is the revolutionary audio solution to help you feel the beats and rhythms of your playlist. How's this possible? Beatsgear X is equipped with a brand new concept, utilizing a BLDC motor instead of a mere analog vibration woofer. In addition, the digital signaling process analyzes the sound in real time, and the Beatsgear X application generates the most detailed and optimal vibration control signal to the BLDC motor, thus generating an extremely lifelike vibration for each content. Then it analyzes the wavelength of the bass and treble frequencies, generating vibrations that harmonize with each wavelength, thus enhancing your immersive experience. Beatsgear X has no limits on what you can enjoy, even in your car on the way home. For video gaming, movies, and music, control its vibration with its app, according to your personalized content. Bring to life your stereoscopic digital entertainment like never before. Beatsgear X.